Hey, everyone. Welcome back. And today we have a treat for your taste buds. We're diving into the world of baking with a recipe that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. We're making the most irresistible moist carrot cake. If you're a fan of moist, flavorful cakes with a hint of spice, you're in for a treat. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the recipe. First things first, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. 1. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2. 2 cups of grated carrots. 3. 1 cup of brown sugar. 4. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 5. 1 cup of vegetable oil. 6. 4 large eggs. 7. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 8. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 9. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 10. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 11. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 12. 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 13. 1/2 cup of crushed pineapple. Drain. 14. 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Optional. 15. Cream cheese frosting. Ingredients listed separately. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get started with the mixing process. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Give it a good whisk to ensure all the dry ingredients are well incorporated. In another bowl, whisk together the brown sugar, granulated sugar, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want a tender and moist cake. Now comes the star of the show. Fold in the grated carrots and crushed pineapple until evenly distributed throughout the batter. If you're a fan of some added crunch, toss in those chopped walnuts. With our batter ready, it's time to bake this goodness. Pour the batter into a greased and floured cake pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While our cake is baking, let's whip up a simple and luscious cream cheese frosting to take this carrot cake to the next level. And there you have it, folks, a mouth-watering, moist carrot cake topped with decadent cream cheese frosting. This recipe is perfect for any occasion or just to satisfy your sweet tooth. I hope you enjoyed baking along with me today. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your creations with us on social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy